Ibinahagi ni Bea Alonzo ang kanyang insecurities sa buhay ay ang hindi niya pag-aaral sa kolehiyo. I didn't go to college. Yung education ko po hanggang second year high school lang. And then homeschooled na ng third year and fourth year. Actually, yung education ko is my number one insecurity na not having the privilege to go to college. Saad ni Bea. Kasi nung time na yon, 'di ba, wala pang cut-off. So, wala talagang oras. Not that I am making excuses. Pero sa totoo lang, nung nagkaroon na ng cut-off, pwede naman ako nag-college pa pero I didn't. I make sure na I educate myself through reading books, watching documentaries. Initiative din kasi yun yung insecurity ko eh. Ayoko maging tanga. So, ayun. Yung ano naman, pag-i-English, somehow, I try to watch a lot of, syempre, yung mga English titles to educate myself and to make myself feel comfortable in speaking in English. Kasi syempre, sa trabaho namin. Halimbawa, si Bobby, yung character ko sa Four Sisters and a Wedding. Englishera siya. Halimbawa, kung may binabasa akong libro tapos there's a word that I do not understand at hindi ko siya ginugugel, baka hindi din ako naging komportable gumawa ng ganong klaseng role. I don't want to limit myself into just doing roles that speak Tagalog kasi trabaho din ng artista na mag-research na i-improve yung sarili nila. Paliwanag pa ng aktres nang siya ay makapanayam noong February 11.
Share for class.